Blessings, family, blessings, 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 blessings. To God be the glory. I am Minister Grace, and this is Cut Them Up Ministries. Y'all, I was sitting here talking to the Lord, and out of nowhere I heard approaching. And I'm like, why it sound like a warning? And he said it 3 times. Approaching. And I said, what's approaching, Lord? And guess what he said? Sick birds. He said, approaching. That's what I heard in the spirit. And I said, what's approaching? And he said, sick birds. The birds and the bees shall testify. The birds and the bees, they shall testify. Didn't I tell y'all that? Didn't I tell you? And how long I've been telling you? Dead in the booth. The birds come talk to me all the time. They call me crazy, but I can understand what they're saying. I understand what they're saying. I slept in nature for 5 years. I slept in nature for 5 years. 5.5 years. So I was like, Lord, I heard approaching. And I'm like, what's approaching? He said, sick birds. So y'all go get an understanding. Not your own understanding, but go ask God about the understanding of a sick bird. Because I would tell y'all, but I'm making this too easy for y'all. So, it's time to turn up the heat so we can run these amateurs out of the kitchen. We're going to turn up the heat so we can run the amateurs out of the kitchen. Okay? I'm Minister Grace. I love y'all. And y'all be a blessing today. Because I would like to get me something. A bite to eat. Or something to drink today. Be a blessing today. Steady long, you steady wrong.